Got all the big ones.
It's Sunday morning. Look at that fish. All right,
That is a monster.
that is a monster.
And then when I think they broke my line, it must have been about that.
Look at the size of that.
Back in the bucket, fish.
So did your bonker do good?
Oh yeah.
Do you like the way Bob carved the little end on the bonker?
Oh, I haven't
Now
seen
we
it.
finish it though.
He hasn't finished. Well, that's your job.
Is he putting a face on it, or?
It needs more whittling on it. But
Well-
it worked good like it is.
Oh yeah.
Good job. Good job.
Now the work begins. You've got
So
some
now-
to do
The
that.
main thing was to be where the fish were. And we were down by that tree down at the end.
That's what. Yes, that's the best spot.
But you know, they were catching them. They started catching them all the way out.
They were
there.
catching them all the way down. And it
Oh
was
yeah,
packed.
a bunch of people caught
Packed.
them. In
Packed.
fact,
Yeah.
one guy down to where we were had caught his limit down there early.
An hour.
In fact, he was cleaning them, started cleaning when we got there.
Yeah.
Oh,
And Father Bill running it out, and Lauren got a couple, and they're still out there fishing, so they haven't limited yet. But everybody's just catching fish.
oh,
I couldn't catch but one.
oh well.
Hey,
And
but
that's
you-
his fish.
So you netted his fish?
Yeah.
Netted him?
You have to net them. There's no beach up there. There's no.
Oh,
gravel
really? It's all water?
bar. Now down at that end, it's this deep in the water. There's no gravel bar there.
Oh my
The
gosh.
gravel bar is just sticking up back at the point.
Huh.
So
Hi, Max. That's Max. Hi.
they fast.
Sorry. I think Ted wants to go out. He went and got his license. Yes?
And you fill them with water, you're much more stable than the swift current. You don't, I mean, you're solid.
Right.
You know, it was pretty swift out there on the far end.
Oh man.
And,
Yeah.
it would feel like your feet would wash out from under you almost. But once this one got filled with water, it was solid.
Yeah.
You put fish in there.
Yeah. Let's just throw them in there.
You can't have one right now. Okay.
I need water.